Alright everybody, and welcome back to Juicing with Christian. I am your host, Christian Smalls, and today we're going to talk about juicing with melons. I tried it the other night. I can't wait to get started on this juice today. Well, first off, I want to introduce you to a new melon. It's Aurora, I believe the name. It's Arara. But it's a really good melon. It's kind of a mix between the honeydew, but it's got a unique taste to it, so it's very good for you. So I was doing some research online and ran into a gentleman named Yaki Awaken, and he was talking about how melons are really good for the body and they provide the body with a lot more readily available energy than any other fruit on the market. So I decided today will be a great day to bring melons into our juicing segment. So just to give you a little bit of history on how everything's going for me, I am juicing. I'm loving it. You guys, my energy is great. My sleep is really good. I'm still getting my workouts in, and I'm really enjoying this. I feel like I should have done juicing a long time ago. I actually did, but I didn't. It was so early into it, I really didn't understand what all I was doing. But going through all of the different diet plans and fasting and, different regimens of eating, I really feel like I'm loving this juicing way more than I thought I would. So my digestion is really good. Of course, my urine and stool is really good, very consistent. So I'm very pleased with juicing, and I really encourage you all to try this. It heals a lot of elements in our body. Well, actually, it allows our body to heal itself because we're giving it the proper nutrients and we're giving it energy that it can actually use fairly quickly. So I encourage it. I really do. So of course I've got my silver, my colloidal silver to keep any bad bacteria away, and I've got my chia seeds. These chia seeds have been really good too. They're great for honestly suppressing my appetite. I'll drink this in the morning and I won't even get hungry till about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm really pleased with it, and they're a great source of so many vitamins and minerals that we need in our body, as you see down on the screen here. So what you want to do is just make sure you put these in a cup and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, like we've discussed before, and then you knock it down. I'm going to have mine now. Very good, very good. I'm loving it. All right, so we've got a few melons here. We've got this Aurora melon, we have honeydew melon, and then we have cantaloupe. All three of these are going to be juiced in the juicer. Now, if you're asking, am I going to peel off the rinds of these melons? I'm not, because they have so many good nutrients inside the actual brine of the melon. I'm going to keep these on here. Now, another one you can add is watermelon. I could not find seeded watermelon here locally just yet, but when I do, I'm going to add it. So I like the seeded versions over the non-seeded version because it's just more natural. Like anything with a seed, we know God has made. And as you can see, I've got seeds all over the place here. And seeds actually have really good nutrients inside the seeds. So they're good to just ingest for your body by themselves. And a lot of times we look at seeds and we're trying to pick them out and figure out, do I really want that seed? But yeah, we want the seeds because seeds actually have nutrients in them that we can't get anywhere else. So don't be afraid of the seed. All right, so other than that, I'm still doing my workouts 2 to 3 times a week. I encourage you to keep doing your workouts. If you're doing your workouts, sets of 12 on every body group, on every muscle on the body, in the body. So that's 3 sets of 12 on every group of muscles. So 3 sets of 12 on biceps, 3 sets of 12 shoulders, chest, We're doing abs. Abs, you can probably get a little bit more. I like to do 12 to 15, but if you're advanced, you could do 15 to 20. And if you're real advanced, do 25 to 50. Yeah. Get in there, get it done. And then legs, of course, keep that 3 sets of 12 on legs as well. That'll at least get you mobile and get your legs stronger. And then you can increase that number. If you're more advanced, I would encourage you to do between 15 to 25. 20 to 25 if you're, really good. But if not, just anywhere in between that 15 to 25 range is really good to strengthen your muscles and then keep those legs nice and mobile. And don't forget to stretch. We've got to stretch, because if you don't stretch, you will incur an injury at some point, and you don't want to do that. That's going to set you back. I've had a few injuries. They're not fun, guys. Believe me, they're not fun. All right, well, I'm not going to prolong the show anymore. Let's get to juicing, because I am ready to get this in my belly. Let's go. This in half, because they're a little too large. Let's go ahead and do these two as well. All right, put that one in there like that. Almost got away from me there. And then put that one in there. Right, and remember to make sure that you let that juicer just drip the rest of that juice in there. As you can see, I kind of let you see in the back today, so you can see how all that drops into the waste compartment here. Now, we don't get a whole lot of pulp in there, or the excess skin. It's less than what you would think it would be. We've got some there, and then check this out. We have some in there, so it's not a whole lot. So we're not missing a lot of the nutrients coming from our fruit. So I am ready. Give this a nice stir. I could drink this all day. It is so good. You got to give it a try. Juicing with melons, and you're juicing with Christian. God bless you. I hope you have a great day.